yung ang pinapakita ko lang sa inyo is nagkaroon po ng confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President noong 2014 issued December 22, 2014.
Based on that document po,
Meron.
Meron.
You confirm. But that's okay, no? Because maybe you were just not aware yesterday when you were asked the question. I just wanted to put that on record because marami na rin pong lumalabas sa social media na si Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng confidential funds. But you confirm that, sir.
Mr. Wamil, we shall continue with your testimony, and you shall be testifying under the same oath. You understand, sir? Kindly respond through the mic.
okay po, Your Honor.
We shall now proceed with the cross-examination of the counsel for respondent. Attorney Poa, you may proceed when you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Mr. Wamil, good afternoon po, sir.
Good afternoon po, sir.
Sa pagkaalala ko po, nabanggit niyo po that you were formerly with ICFAO as a state auditor. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
And you are a certified public accountant. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
You're also a lawyer, correct?
Yes, sir.
You passed the bar in 2022.
2023 po.
2023. Okay, I stand corrected. And Mr. Wamil, you also testified yesterday during your direct examination that you were part of the team that audited the OVP and DepEd confidential funds. Is that correct?
Hindi po team kasi ako lang po yung nag-evaluate ng documents.
Ikaw mismo, basically nag-evaluate ng documents. Tama po ba?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, just so maintindihan lang namin how ICFAO conducts its audit. Yung mga auditors po ba, do they go to the field and observe itong mga confidential operations in person or?
Since what we do po is compliance audit, we base our audit on the documents being submitted to the ICFAO.
Okay. And do you get special training as auditors pagdating sa how confidential or intelligence operations are conducted?
We base po our observations on the provisions naman po ng Joint Circular 2015-01.
Okay. So, basically what you're saying is you base your audit on the documents submitted to you, not just by DepEd or OVP, but by any other government agency. Ganyan sa ICFAO.
Based on the documents if they are compliant with the requirements of the Joint Circular 2015-01.
Correct. Thank you. So, pagdating po dun sa mga dokumento na natatanggap nyo from OVP and DepEd, binabasa nyo po to isa-isa, no? Lahat ng attachments?
Hindi po ako yung nag-receive noon. Meron po kaming receiving staff po.
Pero kayo po, in your evaluation, do you go through the documents one by one?
Yes po. I evaluate po if they are compliant with the requirements of the Joint Circular.
Okay. Now, when you evaluated these documents, nakita niyo po ba doon kung sino ang nag-approve ng grant ng confidential funds for OVP for the fourth quarter of 2022?
Nakita ko po dun sa disbursement voucher po na si Asek Limuel G. Ortonio po.
No, I mean the grant. Kasi wala po sa GAA yung OVP confidential funds for 2022 eh. So nakita niyo po ba kung sino ang nag-approve ng grant para sa fourth quarter 2022 confidential funds?
Based on the documents submitted, si Office of the President po yung nag-approve.
That's correct. Opo, Office of the President. Pagdating naman po sa OVP 2023 confidential funds, yun po ay nasa General Appropriations Act. Do you confirm that?
Yes po.
And pagdating naman po sa DepEd 2023 confidential funds, nasa General Appropriations Act din po. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
And as a lawyer, you would know that the GAA is enacted by Congress. Tama po ba?
That's correct.
Now, yesterday, naalala ko po, natanong kayo doon sa time nyo sa ICFAO kung ilang vice president ang na-audit nyo pagdating sa confidential funds. Naalala nyo po yon?
Yes po, sir.
At ang sagot nyo po ay isa lang, si Vice President Sara Duterte, the respondent in this case. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Tapos
Since I
natanong-
assumed in ICFAO in
Since-
2014.
Since you assumed in September 2014?
Yes po, sir.
Tama po. And you were asked, bakit si Vice President lang? Naalala niyo yung tanong na yun?
Yes po.
At ang sagot niyo po, kasi since you assumed siya lang po ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng appropriations for confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Since September 2014 po na nag-assume ako.
Apo. Now, I'm showing you a document. If I may approach the witness, Your Honor.
Counsel may approach.
I am showing you a document
Assisting counsel
entitled
from the prosecutors may also
Oh, yes.
approach, should they so desire.
I'm showing you a document, and this document is from the Department of Budget and Management, entitled Special Allotment Release Order, dated. Medyo malabo lang po yung document, no? December 22, 2014. Makita niyo po yan? At ang purpose po is to cover confidential activities for fiscal year 2014. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And nung December 22, 2014, nasa ICFAO na po kayo. Tama po ba?
Anong period po yan, sir?
We have a clear here po. Date of issue, December 22, 2014.
Yes po, nasa ikaw na po.
Tama po ba?
Mm.
At hindi po si Vice President Sara Duterte ang Vice President ng mga panahon na yun. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Pero na-liquidate po ba yan? That's the question.
That's the question to ICFAO actually because yun po yung ang pinapakita ko lang sa inyo is nagkaroon po ng confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President noong 2014 issued December 22, 2014.
Based on that document po,
Meron.
Meron.
You confirm. But that's okay, no? Because maybe you were just not aware yesterday when you were asked the question. I just wanted to put that on record because marami na rin pong lumalabas sa social media na si Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng confidential funds. But you confirm that, sir. Your Honors, just a manifestation, this has not been pre-marked. We just came upon this document yesterday after the statements were made. So upon the agreement made during pre-trial, we request that this be marked as exhibit for the defense D-1-167-DE. -OVP.
Let it be so marked.
Thank you, Your Honors.
Provisional only, Your Honor.
Yes, of course, subject to the objections of the prosecution when the time is
Of course, at
appropriate.
the proper time.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we will provide the prosecution with a copy as well.
Kindly
we
do
know-
that after, perhaps later on, after the trial, or now too, so that it can be made a subject matter of redirect should the counsel for the panel of prosecutors
Medyo
so
malabo.
desire.
I can give you
Photocopy.
just a photo. We would like to manifest that this is just a printout, Your Honor, and a photocopy that we retrieved from the Office of the Vice President.
Noted.